Hello guys, in this lesson we are going to use COUNTIF formula. This is the dataset that we are going to use. This A column reflects the name of the residents. Okay, how many residents are there? Let us check. So it is 38 residents are there. We have selected simple. I have selected the residents. Okay, so this is the column for their location. That means where they are residing, and this is their age. Okay, and we have some of the questions that we are going to use here. We are going to answer by using count if formula. Okay. So let us understand first what is the in what scenario or what is the conditions in which this count if formula is used. We have some of the questions like take for example this is residents of Villepale. Okay. These are the people. Some of the people are residing in Villepale. If we use count formula here, what will happen? It will simple count the number of data. It will count. But here, what we are going to use? So here we are using a kind of filter here because out of these 38 resident, we are going to, we want the data or the answers for this, okay, Villepale people. Okay, we can write here equal to then count if. Okay. Then what we can do here, there is a some guidance. The syntax we must follow the range. So range is obviously the locations, okay, because we are going to find the people from Villepale. Okay, we can simple select this. Okay, then comma we can put range. We have selected the range. Okay, then we'll select Villepale. Then Villepale we can put it here. Okay, Villepale. P-A-R-L-E. Okay, we can use. Then we can close the bracket. Okay, we have got this answer. Suppose we use this count button. Let us see count. So we can select this. Okay, so we have got now 38 total 38 residents. Out of this, 16 are from Villepale. Similarly, we can also use this like equal to count if. Okay, count if. Then the range. We can select the range. Then comma. Okay, then we can see what is this Bandra. We can write Bandra, Bandra within double quote. Okay, so 10 people are there. Similarly, we can also here like residents above 50 equal to count if. Okay, then range. This is the age. We can select this. Okay, then syntax is what is the syntax here? Syntax is criteria. Criteria is within double quote greater than 50. We can also, if you need like greater than 50, okay, we can write, and we have to keep here, it is a must, we have to keep here within bracket 20. This is we can use counting formula. We can use the to count, okay, based on certain conditions. That's for the lessons. I will see you in the next one.